Hi, I'm Philip.
I'm Dave.
I'm Josh.
And I'm Hunter.
And we're the
Goldman Guys.
We're here today to answer some of the most common questions that we get every day of people walking in and out of our store. We hope you enjoy them.
So, Dave, I think that one of the questions that we get asked is, when a customer comes in looking for a compact tractor is, what tractor do I need? One of the questions we get asked, probably the biggest question we get asked is a hydrostatic transmission versus a gear drive transmission.
Yeah, that is. And they don't know. They call it an automatic. Hydrostat, if Josh is my customer,
Right.
I'm like, okay, Josh, what are you predominantly going to do with this tractor? They're like, man, I'm going to do a lot of picking up limbs, a lot of back and forth. I was like, man, you really want the hydrostat because you're just moving your foot pedal to pedal.
Yes.
Right. If you're like, I'm grading a mile-long driveway or I'm bush hogging all day, I just want to put it in gear and let it go. I don't want to have my foot on that hydrostat pedal the whole time. And so that's really, it's not that one's better than the other necessarily.
Yeah.
The hydrostat is probably a little more expensive than the gear drive,
Yeah.
but it's all about practicality. I don't want to be shifting all the time if I'm constantly moving, and you're working a clutch.
Yeah.
You can burn a clutch out because we always tell people that's a really expensive footrest. They'll leave their foot on that clutch and like, well, your foot's on it, it's smoking.
Yeah.
So if you're back and forth, a lot of hydrostat works. If you're just line item running, I usually push people toward gear drives.